Often, one of the more difficult aspects in planning a new kitchen is trying to picture what your new kitchen will eventually look like and how your decisions now affect the outcome later. To make your planning a little easier, we're presenting these different before and after views of an actual kitchen. Despite the dramatic improvement in this kitchen, you should know that it wasn't rebuilt from scratch. Instead, a technique was used which has come to be known as refacing. One picture is worth many words, and we think you'll agree the results speak for themselves. The quality products and specialized craftsmanship used to create this new kitchen are identical to what would be used in yours. This video will also help to give you an idea of how kitchen refacing works and an idea of how it can suit your ideas and plans for your brand new kitchen. Today, more homeowners than ever are looking at kitchen refacing as an alternative to having their kitchen totally rebuilt. And it's a wise choice, because now, with advancements made in the production of top-quality, long-lasting, genuine wood veneer, and because the underlying structure of your cabinets is basically sound, you can have virtually all the benefits and advantages of a new kitchen without the weeks of noise, mess, disruption, and inconvenience. For example, you'll notice that there is no need to empty your cabinets while the refacing is going on. In fact, your normal kitchen and household routine can go on pretty much as usual, and most refacing jobs can be finished in a matter of 3 or 4 days. What's more, it's been shown that kitchen refacing can prove to be one of the most cost-effective home improvement investments you can make in terms of the overall value and appearance of your home. But part of what makes this dramatic change possible has to do with the quality of the products we use. Unlike some other refacing products you may have heard about, the veneer we use is neither plastic nor paper. It's a continuous sheet of solid wood backed by one of the most powerful, high-performance adhesives today's technology has to offer. It is precisely the same grade of veneer you'll find on the finest veneered cabinetry and furniture available anywhere. After the exposed wood surfaces of your existing cabinets are carefully prepared with sanding and cleaning, the adhesive backing paper is removed and the veneer applied. It amounts to nothing less than applying a new sheet of top-grade finished wood to the rails, stiles, and side panels of your cabinets. We use extreme care in making absolutely sure that every last square inch of the veneer is completely and securely adhered. Once this veneer is on, it's on to stay. The trimming and finishing of the veneer is a highly specialized craft, resulting in joints and edges that are smooth, accurate, and precise. The quality of the cabinet doors used is unmistakable. Each door and drawer front is custom made. Of course, they're solid wood throughout and handcrafted for a precise fit. There are simply no better cabinet doors made. If you've noticed an unusual degree of warmth and richness to the finish of these doors, you have an eye for superior wood products. This depth of color and detail is only possible when the doors are wiped by hand after they're stained. That's a true rarity in the production of wood products today, but it's one of the many details that will give your kitchen the classic elegance that comes with wood products crafted to the highest possible standards. After staining, each door is then coated twice with a finish specially formulated for kitchen cabinets by the Sherwin-Williams Company. When you consider all the elements of kitchen refacing, the genuine wood veneer, the handcrafted wood doors, new hardware, balances, moldings, and trim, it's not hard to see why kitchen cabinet refacing makes so much more sense. Of course, the prospect of the new kitchen you've been waiting for is exciting. And now that you've seen how refacing makes it possible, in less time and with far less inconvenience, even the pure logical approach to refacing is exciting as well, because refacing combines the best of today's technology with the very best of traditional craftsmanship. What that adds up to for you is a new kitchen that reflects classic elegance, old-world craftsmanship, and an investment in quality that will last for years to come.